So what is the skills and endorsements section on LinkedIn and how does it work? I'm Michael Lukes from How to Livable, and that's what we're going to dive into. So looking at my profile here, we're going to scroll down to that section, which you can find under, well, depends what sections you have on your profile, but it's under your experience, including volunteer experience, license and certificates, and right here, skills and endorsements. So skills and endorsements elects you to select keywords that you would associate with your professional experience and expertise. So for example, here you see 3 on my profile: marketing, entrepreneurship, and social media. Those are all 3 things that I'm passionate about, that I have experience in, that I work with every day through my business. So these 3 are not the only skills that I have listed on my profile, but they're the 3 that I have pinned on my profile. And you can pin up to 3 skills on your profile. Now, people can endorse you for any skill, and we're going to take a look at that as well. But they're usually only going to see the top 3 that you pin to your profile. So it's very important to select skills that you want to be known for, things that are important to your business or to your job search or to your current employment. So if you scroll down just a little bit, and I have clicked on the show more section, so it shows more than just the 3 skills, but you'll see the 3 pinned skills. You can click on show more, and it shows the full list of skills that I've selected that I want shown on my profile, and then people viewing it can endorse me for it. And it just takes a click to endorse somebody for a skill, and then it will show the number of people that have endorsed you for each skill. So you want to pick 3 things to pin that you want to be known for, and also that people will vouch for you. So if you've worked with people on certain marketing projects or within entrepreneurship, then they're more likely to endorse you for that. And you can ask for those endorsements as well. So let's take a look at somebody else's profile where we can then endorse them for certain skills they have. So we're looking at the profile of Eric Koester, somebody I know, a Georgetown professor and also known as the book professor. He helps other people write books. So looking at his profile, LinkedIn is suggesting right here that we endorse him for certain skills. So it says, what is Eric's top skill? And right here, you can click on what you think his top skill is, and then the selection will identify relevant opportunities for Eric, and will also add that to his skills and endorsements section. So if we scroll down here, we can also endorse him for other things as well. It shows skills and endorsements. So the 3 things that he has pinned are startups, entrepreneurship, and venture capital. So I can endorse him for any of those 3 here. I can also click on show more and endorse him for any of these things that he's known for. I know he does marketing. And then you can endorse how good they are at marketing. I'd say highly skilled. It says, how do you know about Eric's marketing skills? You can explain how, so work together directly, managed Eric directly, reported directly to Eric, worked together indirectly, heard about his skills from somebody else. I worked directly with him, and I'm going to click submit, and now he's endorsed for that, and that will go up to 33 when his profile is refreshed. So that is how to endorse somebody for a skill and how somebody else would endorse you for a skill. Now, the last thing that we need to cover in this section are search results. LinkedIn values what someone is endorsed for. So if you're searching in LinkedIn for someone who knows a lot about entrepreneurship, Eric is more likely to come up than somebody who just has that in their profile or in their headline, because they've been endorsed over 99 times for entrepreneurship. So this is used in LinkedIn's algorithm to help find profiles. I hope this information is helpful. You can always play around with the skills that you have pinned to your profile. Make sure that you choose 3 that you want to be known for and that people will endorse you for. If this video has been helpful, please do give us a like. I'd also love to have you as a subscriber to the How to Livable channel. Thank you.